This is your portable 3 MHz ultrasound therapy machine. It uses sound waves to ease pain in muscles, tendons, and small joints near the surface of the skin. In the box, you will find the main unit, a 3 MHz probe with its cable, an AC power cable, a universal adapter, a tube of ultrasound gel, and the user manual, and a padded carry bag. Here are the controls. The probe plugs into the port on the side. The left display shows the time remaining and the right display shows the intensity. The blue panel sets the mode. The continuous mode is for steady warmth and the pulse mode for gentle flashes of heat. The knob turns the intensity up and down. Connect the probe to the side port before you switch on. Turn the intensity knob all the way down to 0. Plug the power cable into an outlet, then switch on. The displays will light up. Clean the skin and apply a generous layer of ultrasound gel. Set the treatment time. Choose continuous or pulse mode as prescribed by a professional. Press the probe flat against the skin, then turn the knob slowly from 0 to the prescribed level. Keep the probe moving in slow circles and never hold it still. Stop if there is any pain or heat. When the time runs out, the machine stops. Turn the knob back to 0, then switch off. Wipe the gel from the skin and the probe. A few safety rules. Always use gel and never run the probe on dry skin or in the air. Keep the probe moving and never leave the person alone during treatment. Do not use it over the eyes, the heart, the spine, an open wound, a healing fracture, or a growth plate in a child. Do not use it during pregnancy, over a pacemaker, or over any cancer. Always use it under professional guidance. Buy this at snapshophub.com.